we quickly move on to our next speaker, Li Bin. Li Bin is the director at the number 6 People Hospital in Shanghai. He is also the chairman of the China Clinical Engineering Association and a good friend of mine. And I'm very happy to have him describe for us the initiation that he led on establishing quality system to complex medical equipment in the Shanghai region in China. Li, please.
So Calroy, we're not hearing his audio.
Lee, are you on mute?
Everybody, I'm Li Bin from Shanghai number 6 People's Hospitals, affiliated SJTU. My topic is about the HTM quality system approach in Shanghai. You know, Shanghai is a big city which is located at the east part of China. This is a big city. The population is about 23 million, and we have more than 430 hospitals, including 122 level 2 and above hospitals. And also we have over 1,000 clinical engineers in the hospitals. In the 2005, we have set up a new quality systems in the Shanghai zone. First is set up the Medical Quality Control Center as by the Shanghai Municipal Public Health Bureau. It's a semi-official organization. The MDQC Centers Committee consists of 19 hospitals C department chiefs. And this quality control center is attached to Shanghai 6 People's Hospitals. And also the quality system consists of SHQC Center and another 16 district QC group. The SHQC Center is responsible for the top 122 hospitals. Compared with the hospital at HTM and medical device QC, the zone HTM and medical device quality control is a little different. We focused on the specification, template, and the market information. And we using the method is expert group, inspector, and also we're focused on the medical management department or C department. And we focused on the equipment is just a key equipment. The main task of the medical device quality control is set up standards, build the management requirement of the medical device, and make some work guidelines. We have designed over 30 standardized templates and form Quality Control Handbook. And also we made some training for the quality control administrator about the management and the technology per year. And also we have set up some demonstration sites. In the last 10 years, we have made up 12 best practice demonstration sites in each hospital. And the 6th is equipment management, another is medical consumable management. Another main task of the Medical Device Quality Control Center is regular inspection. Every year, we send engineer teams carry out the technical and the management inspection for each hospital. We, according to the Quality Control Handbook, to make the score for each hospital. The result is should be as a part of the evaluation of the medical quality of hospitals. Another special project I will introducing is improve after sales service quality and satisfaction. This project is from 2007. We have designed a satisfaction survey of the after sales service and set up 17 evaluating indicators for 14 kinds of medical equipment. We also make a ranking each brand for each year. This is our evaluation for 17 index for 14 kinds of equipment. And also every year we announce the ranking result and present award to the top 2 brands for this manufacturer service. Excellent job. The survey this have lasted for 13 years, and now it's spread to the 20 provinces in China. Another project I will introduce is about the quality management of large medical equipment. As we know, large medical equipment is very important for the hospitals. But before 2012, some service supply, the PM is not done as promised. And the hospital has no skill to handle the PM service. So in the 2011, we have added the PM report to the checking list. We found the report without data. So in the 2013, we have set up a maintenance data as the core indicators. And in the next year, we have sent the people to the hospital and to check the PM report data. In the 2015, we have sent engineers to inspect to the hospital and check the PM inspection for the MR and the CT systems. And also we have set up a management system to manage this PM data together, including the mainstream CT and MR, not including the inspection data, also of specifications for the GPS manufacturers. And also from the 2015, the QC Center has sent an expert team to spot check more than 80 CT and MR systems per year in the Shanghai and make a ranking for an announcement of the result to push the service supply to improve by themselves. And from this year's result, we can find the MRI passing test rate increased from 60 to 98%, nearly perfect. And the CT passing rate increased from 45% to 92%, increased rapidly. we will make the conclusion of the regional HTM quality control approach. The key points. First one is the set up the expert committees. That's our powerful for our quality control center. Second is work together to collect the HTM innovation. Third is design some standardized template. Fourth is make the technical and management training for CE. 5 is send experts to checking as part of evaluation of the medical quality. 6 is a demonstration site, and the last is a using evaluation result to push perfection. For the future, the prospection of the QC in the regional medical device management, we first step is just as a management system, and our second stage is equipment of operation management. And the third step is for the supply chain management, for some evaluation of a product and the service. And the fourth step is the promotion of CE teams, like some training and certification. The sixth step is about the technology evaluation. And in the future, we will do intelligent management, imply the IoT and the digital twins. We'll discuss about the leadership in the HTM quality system approach. First is the teamwork. Second is the innovation. And the third is the evidence-based. It's about the teamwork. When we face this regional quality control, we have a lot of challenges. How should we do? One hospital, how to lead over 100 hospital CEs, how to handle it, and how to find a suitable method to do a regional QC. Also some barriers. How do we do that? Just one hospital, there's a few engineers, so many tasks. So we need a teamwork. We need a team of the hospital experts to together, to think together. We can enhance the authority and the synergy. And also the team brainstorming is needed to find the best solutions. Also the project implication, we need a team to work together. So the whole quality control activities need a team to carry out. It's about the innovation. When we face a lot of challenge, how to handle so many service supplies in a simple way. Also the maintenance service is a process. It's difficult to evaluate the process. We need to find new solutions. Also we need to overcome the barrier. It's difficult to evaluate the maintenance service in the technical value. We need to find a simple method to after-service sales solution. Use the after-service sales satisfaction survey to evaluate the manufacturer. Also, in the future, we need to use IoT technologies to access the data online. Also, for the project implication process, we need in an innovation way to rank each brand by categories for annual result. Through the ranking to encourage a manufacturer to continue to improve their service. For another leadership is evidence-based. When we face about the project 2, CT and MR systems, quality evaluation need a technical inspection. There are too many types of CT and MR systems. the specification is different. We need to find some things in the data. We need to find some CT and MRTM inspection data was handled, but it's handled by the manufacturer. So we need to find solutions. We need to set up a set of quality evaluation based on core indicator data is needed. Ask the manufacturer engineer to fill in the test data in the system database to prove the equipment is in a good condition. Also in the project implementation, needed to send hospital engineers to spot check the technical status of CT and MR in some hospitals to prove the CT MRPM is well done. Thank you for your listening.
All right, folks, we're trying to unmute everybody so we can take your questions, including the panelists. If you would unmute yourselves. Appreciate it.